Hoy vamos a empezar Desafío 3. Y vamos a empezar como siempre con para empezar. Por favor, saca tu lista de vocabulario y contesta la pregunta. ¿Qué hay en tu cocina? You should already have your vocab list filled out. If you don't have one, you can open your book and copy down the vocabulary that's on page 104. Or on the weekly agenda, I have a link to my vocab list. You could print that out or copy it down. But you definitely need a vocab list for this new desafío, exciting new words. So pause the video, answer this question, and then start me up again. Okay, ¿qué hay en tu cocina? Pues en mi cocina tengo un refrigerador, un congelador, un microondas, una estufa, un horno y un lavaplatos. Bueno, ahora quiero presentarles el vocabulario nuevo. Repiten, por favor. Los electrodomésticos, el aire acondicionado, la caldera de calefacción, el equipo de música, el despertador, el cuarto de lavar, la lavadora, la secadora, la plancha, el congelador, la estufa, el horno, el lavaplatos, el microondas, el refrigerador. Bueno. So, when it's time, meet me over at Google Meets, and we will practice some of this new vocab. I don't know if you realize it, but on my Canvas page, there are the blue buttons for weekly agenda and due dates and office hours. But below them, there are blue buttons for each unit and Desafío. And I have this, Google Slide right under Desafío 3, Unidad 2 on those blue buttons. So you can always check that out there. And I usually have a link as well to all the grammar points. So I will see you on the Google Meets, and then you can see on the weekly agenda what activities I'd like you to do today. I'd like you to read a little about una serenata in Ponce. We're in Puerto Rico now, in Ponce, Puerto Rico. So read about that tradition of una serenata on VHL. I've assigned that, as well as the vocabulary for the vocabulary that from the textbook. It's also on VHL. So you have two VHL assignments, La Serenata, which is very short, and El Vocabulario. On neither one, no. For the Vocabulario, when it says the speaking activity, I would like you to just list what electrodomésticos you have, since you can't have a conversation. So that should be easy. Just say yo tengo and list the electrodomésticos you have. Okay, hasta mañana. Send me any email questions you have. Gracias. Ciao.